Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make Mysore Masala Dosa at your home. So for this Mysore Masala Dosa, what you need, first you need the red chutney. Here I prepared the red chutney and I have to grind it in the blender. So for the red chutney, I showed you in my YouTube channel how to make red chutney at your home. So yeah, so for the red chutney what you need, here I took one onion, tomato, chana dal, a little bit of tamarind and one red chilli, and we have to fry all these ingredients in the oil and we have to grind it in the blender. So this is the recipe of the red chutney. And for the masala what you need, so for the stuffing, what we need, here I took one onion. I cut in the lengthwise. I cut it in the lengthwise, and here I have some boiled potatoes. I cooked this one in the microwave, and here is the curry leaves, and we have to add the mustard seeds, the urud dal, everything. So let's start. So take a pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil, and my oil is little bit hot. In this I am going to add some mustard seeds, little bit of cumin seeds. So here I am adding some cumin seeds, some fennel seeds, that is soap. This is the must. It gives a nice flavor in the masala, and some urud dal and chana dal. So here I added the urud dal, and here is the chana dal, and I am going to add some fresh curry leaves, and it's time to add the chopped onion, and we have to mix all these things together, and we have to fry the onion until it becomes light brown in color. Nice aroma, guys. This dish is very famous in Karnataka. And here I mashed the potato, and I'm going to add this potato along with the onion and everything. So I added the potatoes. Into this I am going to add the turmeric powder, the salt and the chilli powder. I added 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, red chilli powder, and salt as per taste. And I am going to mix these things together. So yeah, we have to make everything ready, guys. So here is the masala, here is the red chutney, and here is the dosa batter, and here is the dosa pan. Please remember, guys, if you are making dosa, please use the iron one, which we will get in South India. Even in I don't know about in North India, but this iron pan we get it in South India, near to all the temples. So yeah, please don't use the non-stick pan. The dosa won't come that much good. So yeah, so let's start. So here I am pouring the dosa batter into this, and I am going to make like this. And in the middle you have to do like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to, so I added oil in the surroundings of the dosa, and I'm going to apply this red chutney into the center of the dosa. We don't need any side dish for this dosa, guys, because we are adding the red chutney, the masala, everything. So after adding the red chutney, it's time to add the masala. and it's time to turn out like this. So my dosa is ready, and this is ghee roast masala dosa. So I am applying ghee. This is the best, guys. And in this I'm going to add the same thing. First I'm going to apply this masala. So I applied some red chutney, and it's time to stuff the masala inside the dosa. So this is the ghee roast Mysore masala dosa, because we applied ghee, and it's time to, so I'm turning the dosa. So can you see, guys, the dosa is very crisp. So here is the two version of, one is the Mysore masala dosa with oil, the another one is ghee Mysore masala dosa, because I applied lot of ghee in this. So this is the quick video of how to make Mysore masala dosa at your home. See you soon in my another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye. And we can use this chutney for as the side dish. I will do some tempering with mustard, some curry leaves, everything, and we are going to have this chutney for this dosa. If you want to make sambar, you can make sambar also. And in the advance, I wish all my viewers a happy Mother's Day. See you soon. Bye.